Are you a buyer looking for a 2.5 bedroom house ready to move in with a direct whale tail ocean view? There's an infinity pool deck. There's a yoga deck on top of the house, gorgeous sunsets, extra land to build, all for an affordable price. Well, welcome to Villa Coco. You found it. This home has 2.5 bedrooms, open concept kitchen and living room. It's got Balinese imported doors. It's absolutely stunning. The view here takes your breath away. Here's a master bedroom. From your bed, you wake up in the morning looking directly out onto the whale tail ocean view. In the evening, you see gorgeous sunsets. You can step out onto this brand new deck with a brand new infinity pool. Over here we have the second bedroom. This bedroom has the same view as the master bedroom, looking directly out onto the Pacific Ocean. You have a full bath in both bedrooms. Your showers look out onto the ocean as well. It's surrounded by jungle. You'll see monkeys, toucans, macaws. Both bedrooms have closet space. This one has a gigantic walk-in closet. The home has air conditioning. This home always has an ocean breeze because it's 900 feet above sea level. But with that, you can still get to all the amenities, the gorgeous beaches, restaurants, grocery stores, all within an easy 15-minute drive. Thank you for taking this tour of Villa Coco with me. If you have any questions, I'm Tonya Kershner at OSA Tropical Properties, and you can reach me with the information below.